guys, this is me Himadri and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a dance program and I have to get ready for it, and I wanted to show you how to get a full face of dance makeup because it is so much more different than the regular makeup you would do. You want your face to be bright, you want your eyes to be bold, you want your brows to be bold. It is so much more different than the regular makeup you would wear. So if you want to know how I do my dance makeup, keep on watching. The first step is to use a primer on the face so that the foundation can last as long as possible because you would be performing on a stage. After priming the face properly, use concealer to hide all the dark spots, dark circles and other pimple marks on your face before applying the foundation. I'm using this applicator in my concealer to apply on my face. After that, using a damp beauty sponge, I will buff in all the concealer on my face. Make sure to dab in the sponge and not drag, as it might lead to losing of the pigments of the concealer. After applying concealer, next I would be applying foundation with the help of the same beauty sponge and dab it all along my face. Make sure to apply the foundation also on your neck so that there is even tone of your face and your neck. Set your under eyes using some loose powder. Next, with the help of a dark brown and a black eyeshadow, I am drawing my eyebrows. Draw vertical strokes on the front part of your eyebrows to make it look as natural as possible. With a nude eyeshadow, set your eyes so that you can work with the eyeshadows properly. Taking the lightest of the browns of my palette, I am using it to define my crease with the help of a blending brush. Using a dark brown color, I am further defining my crease, and this time using a more compact blending brush. To make sure there isn't any harsh lines, I'm further blending the entire eyeshadow with the help of the previous blending brush. Next, taking a golden eyeshadow, I will apply it on the center part of my eye. Highlight your brow bone using a white eyeshadow. After you're done with your eyeshadow, remove all the excess powder from your face. Draw your eyes with the help of a liquid eyeliner and make your eyes as bold and big as possible.
Draw a bone line of black eyeliner just below your waterline so as to make your eyes look big. Extend your wing further by joining the lower eyeliner. Next, contour your face using a dark brown lipstick or a contour stick as such. Blend out the lines using your fingertips or a brush. I'm using a mixture of two different shades of pink to apply blush on my cheeks. Next, I'm highlighting my cheekbones. The tip of my nose and the nose bridge, and my cupid's bow. For a dance makeup, I prefer red lipsticks over any other color of lipsticks.
So guys, my makeup is done and I'll get ready and show you my final look. This is my final look. My makeup is done, my hair is done, I'm ready with the costume. Now I have to leave because the program is at 6 o'clock and it's 5:30 already. So I hope you like this video and I hope it helped you. And if you like this video and if you like my makeup look, give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And until then, bye bye.